Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, we're gonna take our front porch up a notch. We're gonna get rid of some of these summer stuff. I'm lying. Nope, not getting rid of the summer stuff. We're just gonna add fall stuff to it because guess what? I pay a lot of money and I put a lot of investment in these summer things and they're still looking good. So guess what? We're just gonna add some fall to it, baby. You heard that right. Add the fall to the summer. Hey, all right, enough of that. If it's your first time here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If it's not your first time here, welcome back and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. So as you guys notice, the lights are on because guess what? It's evening time and it started getting darker earlier around this time of the year. Before you know it, it's going to be dark at 3 o'clock. You heard that right. If you live in the United States, wherever you live at, where the time changes, So we're going to get our time change next month. Anywho's, I was off today, baby, and guess what? I was cleaning all day from the inside, so now we're taking it on the outside, and your girl won't stop because I ain't gonna continue tomorrow. Tomorrow was a rest day, so I took it up a notch and I went outside. It was still light out, and we're gonna clean in the evening on her front porch. Well, not technically not the front porch, but front door. Anywho's, getting the leaf blower, we're gonna blow all these leaves away because you know what? If you know, I have a lot of trees. So, anywho's, after I finish cleaning up all of that, we are going to put down a non-slip mat. This is my first time using these mat because you know what? Way cheaper than buying. I usually buy that black and white mat from Amazon. It costs a lot of money for the size of my front door. So guess what? I went up to the job lot, Ocean State, or Big Lot, and I found this non-slip rug here in all different colors. They have them in black. They have them in this color here, beige. You go gray. So I'm like, first I took up a black and I was trying to find a nice mat to go on top of it. Just couldn't find one, and for some reason out of nowhere I found this one. Never seen anything like that. Keep watching, you're gonna see it. I forgot what they call them, but anywho's, this was only $10, guys. Yes, $10, and it was a little bit maybe like I don't know, maybe like 2-inch wider, coming out to the step more wide than the front door. If you know what I'm saying, right there yourself. So anywho's, what I did, I folded in and I push it right close up underneath that part of the door frame, right under there, okay, between the concrete, the stonework, and that. So anywho's, now, and the other mat was $8, so $18. Sometimes, guys, we don't have to buy offline. See, I'm trying to show you the price. 10 and 8. Sometimes we got to run up to our local store. We'll get good deal. And here goes my wreath that I made. If you guys are interested in seeing how I make this wreath, make your own DIY wreath, it's going to be in the description box below and also in the iCard above. Took me 16 minutes, guys. Literally 16 minutes to make this wreath. And if I was probably walking faster hanging it, it would have took me 15. Anywho's, enough of that. So, I have some fern. And if you're interested in seeing how to buy 2 fern, 1 fern, and end up with a bunch of fern, you could go back and check out some of my summer video from how I use 1 fern to make 4 different fern. Okay, we divide that up, and if you want to see how you do that, so save your money, don't spend all your money and go buy 4 ferns and all this. You could divide up stuff and make it work. And look how beautiful these are. If you've been here since the summertime and wondering how they're doing, well, this is the video for you to see how it's doing. Okay, and of course we have the foreman. If you're new, that's Fiona. If you're not new, don't forget about Fiona. Okay, she's the foreman, she's my supervisor. She just watch how I work. Anywho's, the ferns are looking good. So what I'm doing, I'm not going to get rid of them. I have these leftovers picks from the wreath because, of course, I bought too much because it was only $4, $4.99. You heard that right. And I was going to bring them back because I have no use for them and I just keep hoard stuff. I'm a hoarder. But then I look at this and I'm like, I could make this look nice. We're going to use our brain here. It's a little bit of common sense. Use your brain and then just stick those fall leaf inside of that, and boom, just like that, life is good. It looks like a whole new design, and I'm pretty sure you go to anybody else's houses, you won't even see that. But look at that foreman. She is something else, I tell you. So now here we are. We have our fern, what do they call these, mums. And all I'm doing, because I've seen this on TikTok, I've seen it on YouTube, I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it on Facebook. People that buy their fern, they go, no, stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. You need to start doing this and stop doing this. So I'm following them. So we're going to see if it's going to work. And I'm going to tell you what, it's working. It did work because I have a lot more decor in the yard, and that's what I did. Get a bucket of water or a torp. fill with water, and soak them. So that's what I did. Put it in there and leave it. Let it soak for a good 15 minutes. So that dirt, so the water is not running out, but the dirt is absorbing the water. And these are from Walmart because I got started late and I couldn't find any good one at their nursery. Everybody buy them out. And come to find out, I run into a little old lady because I've been all over town inside of a different city looking for mums, and she goes, the Walmart ones are not good, something with the dirt. So she told me that, so I immediately make sure I soak these. Then I also use my Miracle Grow on it. I'm trying everything so they could last for the season, so it doesn't go bad. So far they're holding up. I purchased them a while now. They just start budding. I waited for them to start budding because they were budding but not blooming. Let me correct myself. Budding but not blooming. And I wanted to make this video, but I didn't want to make a video with fern that don't look good. With mums that doesn't look good. Sorry, my bad. So now you can see that some of them are pretty much bloomed and some are still trying to bloom. So after we soak all of that, I am just moving around and putting them in different places. And if you guys are interested in seeing what this front porch looked like last year versus this year, as time goes by, we're coming up on to 2 years since I moved here. So you guys will see the big difference. You know, I'm improving, I'm growing and everything, and now I can find my things. And guess what? I didn't have to buy too much this year. Well, of course I have to buy the mums because I did mums last year, but I didn't spend as much as I did last year because I had more mums. So, and I've never had real pumpkin, but here we go. We got these at Price Chopper. They were only like 3 for $15. And the reason why I never had real pumpkin is because I don't want to invite the deers to ring my doorbell. I don't want to have food right there for them. So, but anywho's, we're trying this year for the first time. I'm trying real pumpkins. But what I did last year and the year before is I buy fake pumpkins. It's more expensive, but guess what? It lasts longer because next year you don't have to spend any money to buy anything because you already have your pumpkins. Also, you want to go after the season, so therefore you get them on sale. So there goes my box filled with my fake pumpkins. You heard that right, fake pumpkins. So come for me if you want to come for me, because guess what? I don't care. I ain't going to be the one spending money next year. You're going to be the one spending money next year for your real pumpkin, because guess what? How much pumpkin can I eat that much, huh? Anyways, so that's all I'm doing there. So we're just doing all that, packing it out, and look at me. Now I see why my back hurt. Look at me. I look like Mother Sarah. I don't even know who that is, but I look like some little old lady that need a cane, because you guys notice I did not even stand up straight. I just walked to the box with my back bend and crawled back over to the front porch. This is bad. I got to do better. Each time I watch my video, I said that, but I don't think I'm doing any better. I ain't learning, something wrong with my brain here. But anywho's, we're putting out the pumpkin and nothing in my brain and all of that good stuff. Yeah, so that's all I'm doing. I have a few pumpkins, and I tell you, they're all over the yard, man. I tell you, they're all over the yard, and I have some down close to the front, and I thought it was gonna like blow away like overnight, but they're still standing. They didn't blow away, so we're okay with that. And these again are from last year. I just save everything. I don't throw them away. Put them in a box. Put them in your garage. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. So I don't want to overpower or overcrowd this area. I have so much things. Over the years, you're going to keep accruing stuff. I have stuff from way back and stuff from since I moved here. So I put one of my scarecrow on one side of the door, inside that piece there, and the other side inside that other piece over there. Because I don't want it to be overcrowded. I want the lights. See, it's already hard to see the lights and everything, but I want all that to show. Plus, I already have those fern, the grass, and everything from there. So, yeah. So this is what it looks like. I finish at night. I was thinking of putting lights inside of those lanterns, but no, I don't want it to be too much. So, also, I'm going to be having a video upcoming on how I make that sign. If you guys are interested to see how I make that sign, you better be subscribing to the channel and make sure your notification bell is on so you could be notified every time I upload a new video, because guess what? I want to make sure that you are still here. So anywho, this is what it looks like. I finish. It's nighttime. It's dark. But guess what? I think it's a change of atmosphere and everything looks nice. You know what? It's, something different from the daytime. So you actually get to see what this look like at night. So in the morning, when I wake up, if it doesn't rain and mess up my things, because I don't have a cover over this, then I'll go out there and get you guys a video of what it looks like in the daytime, okay? But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's warm, cozy, and welcoming and inviting. Unfortunately, nobody comes up to this door because it's too far away. It's easier to stop at the garage. But guess what? Fiona and I, we like to go up there. So, and that's all that matters. Okay? So, this is what it looks like in the morning time. Like I said, there goes my summer plant. I've invested a lot in it. And I'm not cutting, no, don't tell me to cut my hydrangeas because I'm not cutting them till winter. You got to wait till winter to cut them so they bloom nice and fluffy. You see how nice and fluffy they are? I mean, you could cut them now, but later you cut them or prune them better. Plus, I also like that brownish tone that it's going to give when it dries up for the fall where everything looks like fall. So if you make it this far throughout the video, you are the real deal. And it's obvious that you like what you see here. So before you leave, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. Okay, also make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This way you're not the only one getting all the fun. They're enjoying it too. Okay? All right. So again, with all that has been said, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.